Let's learn about subsets and proper subsets using the set P equals X, Y, Z as our example. First, let's understand what a subset is. A subset is any collection of elements from the original set, including the empty set, and the set itself. We use this symbol to denote is a subset of. Let's find all possible subsets of P. We'll list them systematically. First, the empty set, which we write as curly braces or the empty set symbol. Then all single element subsets X, Y, and Z. Next, all two-element subsets X, Y, XZ, and YZ. Finally, the complete set X, Y, Z. Now let's talk about proper subsets. A proper subset is a subset that is not equal to the original set. We use this symbol to denote is a proper subset of. Let's identify all proper subsets of P. The empty set is a proper subset. All single element subsets are proper subsets. All two-element subsets are proper subsets. However, the set P itself is not a proper subset of P. Let's summarize what we've learned. For a set with three elements, we have one empty set, three single-element subsets, three two-element subsets, and one three-element subset, for a total of 8 subsets. Of these, 7 are proper subsets, excluding the set itself. To visualize this relationship, we can see that proper subsets are always strictly contained within the original set, while the set itself is a subset but not a proper subset. Remember, all proper subsets are subsets, but not all subsets are proper subsets. The original set is always a subset of itself, but never a proper subset of itself.